Hello, I'm Alyssa Haynes, and we are going to do a very quick walkthrough, a little demo of how to use ChatGPT to help with your business. This is super quick, going to show you the most basic uses, and we're going to demo it so you can do it on your own pretty easy. You can just Google ChatGPT and you'll come up with the link right away, or you can go to chat.openai.com. And you're going to see the option to sign up. So you want to do that. When you click on sign up, you can create your own account and you can do it via your email address, or you can continue with Google. If you already have a Gmail account, you can just use that to log in. It'll have you verify your credentials and your password. And sometimes it's a little busy. The system is overloaded. And when you're a free user, you got to wait in line. So if you see this come up, don't stress, just try again in a little while. But eventually you will get through, and once you verify your credentials, it's going to ask you a few questions. So you just complete that little form, give them your phone number, and they will send you a text code to verify, and boom, you're in. It's going to give you a little info, but I'm just going to show you all that right now. I have a few ideas of what we can try. So the first is to rewrite a blog post that I already have on my website to make it sound more professional. And rewriting something is fantastic. Having it edit your work, you can do a rough draft and you can have ChatGPT edit it for you so you know that you've used all the right words and all the right spelling and everything makes sense. So in this case, I pasted in the blog post from my website after the instructions to rewrite to make it sound more professional. And it did exactly that. Now, my original blog post was written in a very casual, friendly manner. That works for me. But maybe I need to rewrite it for a different use. Maybe I'm doing an article for somebody else's website or whatever. ChatGPT can rewrite that for me. So now I have this rewritten post and I can edit it, make sure it's all perfect, and publish it wherever it needs to be published. It took a lot of work out of that process for me, but there are a bunch of other ways we can use this as well. So the second demo here is I want to create a list of the top 10 most frequently asked questions about massage therapy. And I want to do this because it's going to help me create content, written or video, for my own website and my own marketing materials. So I literally pasted that in. Create a list of the top 10 most frequently asked questions about massage therapy. And it's done that. It's given me the questions. It's given me the answers. Now, these are just starting points. You should not copy this, paste it into your website, call it a day. This is an idea generator. It's a rough drafter to help you come up with topics and ideas and then customize them for your business and what makes sense for you and your style and how you work. I also wanted to know a list of the top 10 complaints about massage therapy. So I pasted that in and it gave me the top 10 complaints, which really coincide with what I know about complaints about massage therapy: pressure, lack of communication, hygiene, uncomfortable environment. This was great. And this gave me a list and a kind of a starter video or blog post for each of these complaints that I can use in social or on my website. And boom, in like 30 seconds, I had this rough drafted, which is huge. The next demo I thought would be really fun. A lot of people struggle with email marketing, and ChatGPT can really help you rough draft an email. So I had it write an email announcing a Valentine's sale for massage gift certificates, but make it a poem. It wrote me this multi-stanza poem about how massage is awesome and you should buy some massage gift certificates for the person you love. I probably would not use all of this. I would certainly edit it, but it was a really fun start. And with half an hour's work, I'm going to be able to put this into an email and sell a whole bunch of Valentine's gift certificates. So this was just a super fast demo of how AI, and specifically ChatGPT, one of the more popular AI programs, can actually help you in your business with a free account. Good luck.